Hello everyone, this is my equipment shopping spree. Okay, so here's all the equipment I selected. It's all intended for 4th grade PE class and it can be found at SNS Worldwide. I selected the jump rope. This one comes in a set of 6 in different colors and I decided on 4 sets and it was 123 and 26 cents. I selected this because it can help meet the locomotor movement 1.5 standard, which is jump a self-turned rope. Also selected the flying disc. This also can help meet a standard, which is throwing a flying disc for distance. I selected this one because it comes in different colors and also it's priced pretty well. It comes in a set of 6 and I decided on 2 sets. Okay, so the soccer ball can be used to meet like many different standards. It can be used for just kicking the ball, or to do a foot dribble with a ball, stop a kicked ball, and also kick a ball to a moving partner. I decided on 12 balls because I think that they can be used. These can be used with a partner, and that's 107 with 91 cents. I decided on tennis rackets. Also come in a set of 6. I decided on 2 sets, and this can also help meet the standard of striking with a paddle or racket, a lightweight object that has been tossed by a partner. So I also selected these because that helps with the previous standard as well, and with this one, which is manipulate an object. So manipulate an object using a long handheld implement. So this can be used with the rackets, and this also comes in a set of 6. And I selected 2 sets. Okay, so the basketballs can also be used to meet the standard, which is a hand dribbled ball away from a defensive partner. I decided on 2 sets. They come in sets of 6 also. The volleyball can also help meet this standard right here with this manipulative skills. It's a volley a tossed lightweight ball using the forearm pass. I only selected 5 because I was running out of funds. But I think that it can be used like as a station. So they can kind of rotate. And the last thing is the fitness cube. I thought this was also a great idea because it comes with a 6 categories, I believe, and one of them is food groups, which I think helps meet this standard right here, which is identifying healthful choices for meals and snacks that help improve physical performance. So it has the different flashcards, and I think it's a great way to help students understand that, and can be used in different ways, like just putting food groups on the cube and tossing it around, making students come up with ideas, or using all the categories. Here's a list of how much everything was and the cost and the total. I was at 497 and 44 cents because there was a discount. So that was great. And as you can see, I ordered some of this comes in sets of 6, so I ordered 2 because I believe that they can be used with partners. So that kind of helped buy a little bit more equipment. and my references. And that's all. Thank you.